Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the construction going on Spanish Town Road. Now, Spanish Town Road is one of the roads that take you from downtown Kingston to Mandela Highway. And Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. So all the roads that lead off or to Mandela Highway are very busy roads and are very important roads in the road network in Jamaica. And downtown Kingston is one of the busiest places in Jamaica. And also Spanish Town Road takes you to Hagley Park Road, which takes you up to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So two of the busiest places in the city of Kingston. Spanish Town Road takes you there, and then it takes you to Mandela Highway. So this is a very important roadway. Also, you have a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road. A lot of people live in this area. So we're going to give you the latest update on what's going on with the construction of this road. Now, as you can see, the road doesn't have one white line. Not one white line. This is a 3-lane road that we're driving on. It's 6 lanes, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done on this road. Also, a lot of business places, manufacturing companies are off this road. You have Toyota Jamaica, the Toyota dealership. The Red Stripe has a office or factory here. Seprod has a factory. J. Ray and Nephew has a factory. It's a very busy road, and it also takes you to you can take this road to go to the wharf in Jamaica, the port. So Excelsior Biscuits has a factory here. A long list of companies that have locations on this road. The National Works Agency is advising the public that a section of the westbound carriageway of Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of Callaloo Mews will be closed this weekend. The closure, which will be in effect from 8 a.m. Saturday, February 3rd to 5 p.m. Sunday, February 4th, 2024, is to facilitate the replacement of a pipe culvert across the roadway. Manager of Communication and Customer Services at the NWA, Stephen Shaw, says that a total of 2 culverts will be replaced at the location as part of an 8-week-long contract. The first culvert, which is in the vicinity of Lewis Industrial, will be replaced this weekend, while the other located across from Callaloo Mews housing scheme will be replaced on a subsequent weekend. During the period of works, the westbound lanes heading towards 6 miles will be closed to vehicular traffic. Vehicles traveling in a westerly direction will be diverted onto 1 lane of the eastbound carriageway. Vehicles traveling in an easterly direction towards 3 miles will use the other 2 lanes of the eastbound carriageway. Mr. Shaw says that once the culverts have been installed, the roadway will be reinstated and paved with asphalted concrete. The NWA is advising motorists to exercise caution while traversing the area during the period of the works, and to obey the instructions of flag persons and posted warning signs. Alright, so that's the end of the update. Now, I'm not sure if they finished early or what, but we didn't see any sign of construction. This video was done over the weekend. I'm not sure if they postponed the work or what, but we didn't see any major construction where one side of the road was closed. We will keep monitoring this project and keep giving you updates. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. This is Spanish Town Road. We're driving from Mandela Highway towards downtown Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.